Hey, what do you do when things feel slow? Number one, do not panic. Number two, I highly recommend you look at working on your business instead of in it. Action is the greatest cure for fear. And when things are slow, we can understandably get a bit fearful. So, what do I mean when I say work on your business instead of in it? So, instead of coaching and training and focusing on all the needs of clients, I want you to look at what the business needs. So, have you been wanting to raise your prices? Have you been wanting to find a bookkeeper? Have you been wanting to get more organized? Have you been wanting to have more thoughtful marketing plan? Have you been wanting to really tend to your legal obligations, right? These things are so easy to get lost in the shuffle or to get pushed down the to-do list, but when we're slow, it's an amazing opportunity to get them done. The other awesome part about getting them done is it sends out the energy that you're ready for more business because you've cleaned everything up, you've aligned it in the way that you need and the way that you want your business to be running, and people can feel that. And it's wonderful how then business starts moving toward you. I hope that's really helpful. If you want to do something like this, I would love for you to join us for FitPro Summer School. We've got an amazing online course that lays all of this out for you that you can take and do at your own time and have the materials for forever. We've got 6 experts coming in every Wednesday to give a 30-minute, concise, powerful webinar. And we've got 10 semi-private coaching sessions with me every Friday where you can ask any questions relevant to your business and to the coursework and the webinars that we're doing. You'll also get a cool one-on-one with me to look at your forms and your intake process and how to use JotForms service if that's something that appeals to you. We have priced this at 50% of its value, and I would love for you to sign up. Click the link below to purchase, or click the link below to schedule a chat with me so we can discuss if this is an excellent fit for you. Looking forward to it, guys. Good luck.